Fresh juice can transform your daily routine with better flavor, nutrition, and convenience. Best juicers on the market deliver higher juice yield, easier cleaning, and faster prep time. Today, we're reviewing the top models that make healthy juicing simple, efficient, and enjoyable. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. TUUMIIST High-Yield Juicers. The TUUMIIST High-Yield Juicer is designed for households that want convenience, versatility, and efficient juice extraction in one machine. Its standout feature is the 3-in-1 design, allowing users to prepare fresh juice, homemade nut milk, and frozen fruit sorbets without changing multiple accessories. The generous 6.5-inch feed chute accepts whole fruits such as apples, reducing preparation time and making daily juicing much easier. A large 100-ounce hopper supports batch processing, allowing families to load ingredients at once and enjoy a hands-free experience. Powered by a 350-watt motor operating at a slow 60 RPM, this masticating juicer minimizes heat buildup and oxidation while helping preserve natural flavor and nutrients. The slow extraction process also contributes to better juice yield and less waste. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to the quick-release design and included cleaning brush. BPA-free construction adds peace of mind for health-conscious users.
Number 2. EanOruus Premium Gray Juicers. The EanOruus Premium Gray Juicer is built for users who want a powerful and versatile machine capable of handling everyday juicing tasks with ease. Its 3-in-1 functionality allows you to make fresh juices, creamy nut milk, and frozen fruit sorbets, giving you more value from a single appliance. The extra-large 6.5-inch feed chute accepts whole fruits and vegetables, significantly reducing preparation work and making morning juicing sessions faster. A spacious 100-ounce hopper is especially useful for families and meal preppers who prefer making larger batches in one cycle. The high-torque AC brushless motor is engineered to process tough ingredients efficiently while maintaining consistent juice extraction and nutrient retention. Another major advantage is the dishwasher-safe removable components, which help simplify cleanup after use. Number 3. Canoly C16 Juicers. The Canoly C16 juicer offers a well-rounded combination of versatility, quiet operation, and family-friendly capacity. Designed as a 3-in-1 appliance, it can create fresh fruit and vegetable juice, homemade nut milk, and frozen fruit sorbets using interchangeable strainers. Its large 6-inch feed chute accommodates whole fruits and bulky ingredients, helping reduce preparation time and making the juicing process more convenient. One of the most impressive features is the AC brushless motor, which operates at an ultra-quiet 35 decibels while maintaining strong extraction performance. This makes it ideal for early mornings when noise can be a concern. The 90-ounce hopper supports larger batches, making it suitable for families and weekly meal preparation. Cleanup is also simple thanks to the detachable pulp ejector and dishwasher-safe components. BPA-free materials provide additional reassurance for health-conscious households. With its efficient design, quiet performance, and generous capacity.
Number 4. YPONE Masticating Juicers. The YPONE Masticating Juicer is designed to deliver high juice yield while maintaining the nutritional quality of fruits and vegetables. Equipped with a powerful motor and slow cold press technology operating at 55 RPM, it helps reduce oxidation and preserve natural flavor, vitamins, and nutrients. The 5.8-inch feed chute is large enough to handle many whole fruits and vegetables, reducing prep time and making daily juicing more convenient. A built-in safety lock automatically stops operation when the lid is opened, providing an extra layer of protection during use. The dual strainer system features fine mesh filters that help reduce clogging and improve juice consistency while separating pulp efficiently. With a claimed juice yield of up to 99%, it aims to maximize every ingredient placed inside.
The machine is also designed for quick assembly and easy cleaning, requiring minimal effort after each use.
Number 5. AMZCHEF Cold Press Juicers. The AMZCHEF Cold Press Juicer is a user-friendly appliance built to simplify the process of making fresh juice at home. Its 5.4-inch oversized feed chute accommodates whole fruits and larger vegetables, reducing the need for chopping and helping save valuable preparation time. The upgraded spiral auger is designed to improve extraction efficiency while separating juice and pulp effectively, producing smoother and cleaner beverages. A durable food-grade stainless steel blade and sturdy stainless steel body enhance long-term reliability, making the machine suitable for frequent household use. The heavy-duty motor operates quietly, allowing users to prepare juice without creating excessive noise in the kitchen. This feature is especially beneficial for families who prefer early morning juicing routines. Maintenance is equally convenient thanks to the simple one-button operation and detachable parts that rinse clean quickly under running water. Combining efficient performance, durable construction, and easy maintenance,
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.